Hi, I'm Dr. Keisha White, the Executive Director and founder of the Prep Factory. The Prep Factory has been in operation as a nonprofit since 2018. We actually started out in 2014 as a consulting agency, but we realized that the need in the community was just far too great. We were better to serve the community as a nonprofit organization. The Prep Factory is a nonprofit organization that was founded to assist students who are 7th grade and up with their college admissions plan, and as well as help them graduate from college. But we don't just stop at high school and college age. If you have an adult who wants to go back to college or go to college period, we help them too. The Prep Factory helps prepare students for interviews for their college admissions, scholarships, and internships. We also teach them how to write business emails, which is very important. We teach them how to communicate with the college, how to follow up with their college applications. We teach them how to find their own scholarships. We teach essay writing, college trunk party, where we help young men transition to college by providing supplies. The impact in the Dallas-Fort Worth community has been pretty tremendous. We've helped students from at least 8 school districts in the area, and what we've helped them is getting them started with thinking about college and in understanding the vocabulary of what college means. And that's what we're offering our 7th graders. But for those high school seniors, we're helping them secure funding for college, which is a huge deal breaker if they don't have it. And just getting them overall prepared for their college courses and getting them used to the atmosphere that a college experience will provide. The inspiration for the Prep Factory actually sparked from my experience as a college recruiter and a higher ed administrator. And from there, transitioning on, and I realized there was still such a major gap between the universities and the parents and students. And the best way for me to serve both was to create an organization that would meet the needs of both. Or we bridge that gap between the universities and the students. The COVID-19 pandemic impacted us in a way that surprised us quite a bit. We were able to upgrade our technology, upgrade our software, and by doing so, it expanded our reach beyond just the DFW Metroplex. It forced us to really think outside the box and really teach students how their college planning experience does not have to be sacrificed just because they're in their own home and we're not meeting anymore. Yes, that's one credit. What grade do you think you can get in art? So quite often in the community, I hear people say, college is not meant for everyone, or everyone is not meant for college. And to that I say, college can be for anyone who wants it. Even if you want it a little bit, the smallest iota, it is definitely something that's worth exploring. College is a platform for you. And guess what? College is not necessarily a 4-year institution. It's a 2-year community college or a junior college. It's also a trade school. Anything above high school, post-secondary, we can help you with that. So whatever the dream is, whatever the goal is, if money wasn't the issue, would you go? Ask yourself that. If money wasn't the issue and if someone could show you how, would you go? And if that answer is yes, I would, then you need to call the Prep Factory. You can find the Prep Factory on the web, www.theprepfactory.org. We're also on social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, of course, the Prep Factory. You can also email us at info@theprepfactory.org or call us 817-677-8286. Get prepped.